today's video. Oh, by the way, happy Valentine's Day, guys. So today's story is about a particular priest, apparently, that believed in love, cared for two young people, and today's all about Val and red. And everybody's wearing like a touch of red. When a touch of red to like my lips. And before I decided to wear this touch of red at my lips, something very funny happened this morning. My mom knocked on my door and brought me a red shirt to wear to work. Very funny, guys. But no, I decided that, I don't know, for everybody it's different. But for me, I don't really see it. I don't know. You guys leave comment in the comment section if you actually feel you need to wear red on Valentine's Day. Give me your opinion about it. So back to the story. So Valentine's Day for lovers, but my question to us is, how many of us actually love ourselves on Valentine's Day? We're all about the other person, about our partner. What about ourselves? So we give gifts to ourselves on Valentine's Day. So today I decided to make a video about a DIY for a wall decor you can do for yourself. It's really simple. So it can be like an office decor or the wall decor in your room. So let's get right to it.
These are the items needed for this DIY. I'm going to leave a list to everything in the description box below. So the first thing you want to do is measure out on your canvas where you want the lines to be. So I measured out 2 centimeters till I got to the end of the canvas. I made tiny pencil marks to guide me on where to place my lines. So the next thing you want to do is place the paper tape on your canvas using the lines that you made, the marks that you made with the pencil. Flatten out the tape in order to avoid the bubbles underneath the tape. I keep placing the paper tape on the canvas till I got to the end of the canvas. The next thing I did was I got my acrylic paint, poured it on the palette, and started to paint on the canvas. So we're only going to paint on the white part of the canvas, leaving out the place that looks.
Been 3 long days, and I never hear you call my name. I couldn't look my phone for work, hoping that you'll call, yeah. The more I wait, you are drifting away. No, let our love
I painted generously on the canvas.
fall down. We must stay afloat, we will never drown. Darling, you mean much more to me, so let us not allow our love.
After I finished painting the canvas, I left the canvas to dry. So you want to give it adequate time to dry a bit before removing the paper tape.
Fall down, let it not fall down. No, let our love go to waste. Oh, man, make you stay.
like an outline around the shape. So I picked up glue and stones and started placing them around the heart shape.
We not gonna let our love go to waste. We not gonna let our love go to waste. This our love no go waste. It has been 3 long days, and I never hear you call my name. I go to look my phone for work, hoping that you'll call, yeah. The more I wait, you are drifting away. No, let our love fall down. We must stay afloat, we will never drown. Darling, you mean much more to me, so let us not allow our love fall down. Let it not fall down. No, let our love go to waste.
And done. This is our finished work.
Oh, man, make you stay. No, let our love go to waste. Yeah, yeah, no, let my love go to waste. No, let our love go to waste. Oh, man, make you stay. No, let my love go to waste.
So guys, this is our final project. It looks good. So imagine this like in your room or your office. It looks really good though. And it was really simple. It took less than minus the drawing time. I think you should be done with this in an hour or two. It's really easy. So if you have questions about this DIY, or you want to ask about it, or you have any questions about where I got my products from, products I use for the DIY, please leave your questions in the comment section. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe. The button is down here, somewhere down here. And please like, share. And also don't forget to tap that notification video, so whenever I upload a new video, you get notification that the video is up. Bye guys.